Okay, so for today, let us review first grammar patterns of lesson 4. So here in this lesson, we talk about time, telling time, how to read time or clock in Japanese. Aside from that, we also talk about fixed particles like ni, kara, made, and also the proper pattern or formula in developing a verb sentence. Now, so let us try to look at the following sentences, and you by this time we should be able to at least translate the following in Japanese. Okay, so the first one is I study from 11:30 until 1 o'clock every day. So the topic is I, so you can say watashi wa. However, if you are being the one who is always speaking, or if obvious lagi na ikaw ang speaker, you can always drop the watashi wa. So you can start your sentence by saying mainichi. So every day, mainichi. 11時半から1時まで勉強します. Okay, again. So for number 1, so let's annotate. For number 1, you can say, Watashi wa mainichi 11時半から1時まで勉強します. Of course, you always put the verb at the last part. Okay, let's go to Nibang. The post office is from 8 until 5 p.m. Here, we do not have verb, no? So, verb is not present. So, meaning to say, this is just a noun sentence. So, the topic is post office, kasi naroon si is. So, we can say, Yubin Kyokuwa. And then, we have Hachiji Kara. So, from 8, Hachiji Kara, Gogo Goji Made Des. So you end your sentence in a des kasi noun sentence siya. Ulitin natin. Yubin kyoku wa hachiji kara gogo goji made des. That's how we create a sentence na nouns. No? For number 3, sambang ikimasyo. Yesterday, I rested from 6 until 9 p.m. Here, yesterday, no? So, kino, rokuji kara gogo kuji made. And then we have the past tense, yasumimashita. Okay mo ichido, kino, rokuji kara, gogo, kuji made, yasumimashita. Okay, for number 4, I worked from 7:30 a.m. yesterday. So again, we have yesterday as our adverb of time. So you can say, kino, gozen, 7時半から働きました. As you can see, nung nagtatranslate ako pabalik, di ba baliktad? Kino, gozeng, shichiji kara, hatarakimashita. And number 5, it takes 30 minutes from Quiapo until LPU. So, ang takes in Japanese is kakarimas. So, yun yung verb natin. Pero, pwede ring des lang. Okay, halimbawa, eto, Quiapo kara, LPU made, sanju pundes. Wala na si takes. So, pwede na rin yung same naman ang meaning. Again, Quiapo kara, LPU made, sanju pundes. Hi. So, that is how we translate, no, from English to Japanese. So ano ang catch natin here? You always put adverb of time first kung meron. Kung walang verb, so you end it with a des. Okay, the next particle in lesson 4 is the particle to, and to is at or end in Tagalog, in English. So Tagalog at. So ginagamit siya as connecting two nouns. Ibig sabihin, kinoconnect mo yung dalawang nouns. Nouns lang ang pwedeng gamitan ng particle to. Tatoeba, let's read this one. Yasumi wa doyobi to nichiyobi desu. Okay, so here we have to. So Sabado at Linggo. So pareho siyang nouns. Kaya sumiwa, doyobi to, nichiyobi desu. So dahil pareho siyang nouns, so pwede nating i-mark ng to. Okay, so let's have the second sample. Nihongo to eigo wa benkyou shimasu. I study in Japanese and English. So Nihongo to eigo. Next, watashi to Taro-kun wa yasumimasu. I rest, Taro and I is resting. Okay, so watashi to Taro-kun. Okay, so there. This is how we connect our two nouns in coordinate relations using particle to at in Tagalog. And then the last part is particle ne. Okay, so ito ay marami siyang gamit. Normally, when you elicit agreement, you check for the understanding of your listener and you giving emphasis, no, on a particular topic. And ne is basically put at the last part of the sentence. No? So, ang mga Japanese, they're very fond of using particle ne. So the first one is to elicit agreement from your listener. Tatoeba, mainichi juji made benkyou shimasu. Sabi ni A. And then sabi ni B, taihen desu ne. So that must be tough. Kasi ang sabi niya, I study until 10 o'clock every day. And then si B, oh, tayhan desu ne. So, oh, that must be difficult, no? So, nag-i-elicit siya ng agreement from A. Now, the second one is to check understanding. So, tingnan natin. Sabi ni A, Yamada-sang no den mabango wa Q08 no ni Sangyonggo desu. And then, sabi ni B, Q08 no Nisang Yonggo desu ne. So, ibig sabihin, chinecheck niya kung talagang tama yung kanyang pagkaka-understand doon sa telephone number. And then finally, for the emphasis, tingnan natin, sabi ni A, Ashita 5 made hatarakimasu ne. Tomorrow I will be working until 5. And then sabi ni B, hi, so desu ne. Yes, it is. So emphasis. So ito lang naman yung gamit ng particle ne. Okay. And then these are the lessons or topics that we discuss in lesson 4. So we understand no the how do we construct or read clocks. So using G 4 o'clock and fun or pun for minutes. We also talk about mag-annotate tayo. So check na tayo doon. We also talk about the conjugations of the verbs into four. And then yung use ng particle ni after the time, the use of kara and made, the use of to for coordinate relations ng nouns, and particle ni. I hope na intindihan natin lahat ito. Now, let's try to put the proper particles. I will give you time to read, no? Okay, number 1, particles na ang ating ilalagay. Number 1, ima, nanji, bra 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 desu ka? So sa palagay nyo, ano ang sagot? Yes, X. Walang sagot. Kasi hindi ka naglalagay ng any particle kapag ang interrogative na nanji, which is what time, is followed by desu ka. Okay, so the answer is X. Okay, how about number 2? Kino, bra bra bra, benkyou shimashita ka? Correct. So again, wala din. Kasi kino is an adverb of time. Wala kang inilalagay na particle. Unless, ano siya yung topic mo. Pero ang topic dito ay yung kausap. No? So this should be X. Sambang, Yasumi bra bra bra, doyobi bra bra bra, nichiyobi desu. Okay, so Yasumi wa doyobi to nichiyobi desu. Okay, number 4, Yombang ikimasho. Shichiji bra bra bra, yoji bra bra bra, hatarakimashita. Correct. So, shichiji kara yoji made hatarakimashita. 5番, Hiroyasumi bra bra bra, juniji bra 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 desu. What is the answer? Okay, Hiroyasumi wa juniji x desu. Kasi time plus des, wala kang ilalagay in between. So you can put x batsu desu. Keirokubang, mainichi, bra bra bra, hachiji bra bra bra, okimasu. Correct. So this would be mainichi x, hachiji ni okimasu. So x because mainichi is an adverb of time. Okay, nanabang ikimasho, kino, bra 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 bang, bra bra bra, ju ichiji, bra bra bra, ni mashita. So tatlo yung nawawala. Hai, kino, no bang, Jujiji na bakit ganito? Kinono bang, kino yesterday bang gabi. So, kahapon ng gabi. So, you need to put no to connect them. No? And then, kinono bang is an adverb of time. So, you do not put anything. And then, jujiji ni namashita. Yan. Kailangan lagyan ng ni ang 11 o'clock kasi may kasunod siya na verb. Number 8, hachibang. Kore na, kore bra bra bra, Philippine bra bra bra, kutsu desu. Old ano natin to, lesson 3 yata. Kore wa Filipino kutsu desu. Q bang, may bang, bra 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 nanji bra bra bra, yasumimasu ka? Correct. May bang X, nanji ni, yasumimasu ka? And bang, then wabango, bra bra bra, nambang desu ka? Nambang is what telephone number? So what is your telephone number yun? Then wabango. Okay, isa the answer is wa. Then wabango wa ng bandes ka kasi siya ang um, uh, pinaka-topic. Then wabango. Okay, so I want to challenge you guys to go over with this and then you try to understand and fill out again the proper interrogative, proper particles rather. Okay, so that's it. So this is the end of lesson 4.